CNC is computer numerical control. So we have our milling machines here that are controlled by a computer that we program. So what we do is we get into G-code, which is what these machines run on. So they learn how to write that program by hand, and then we move into Mastercam, which is our CAD/CAM software. So then they learn how to do design work, they learn how to do toolpaths. We come down here on the machines, we do class projects, projects for the school, their own personal projects if they want.
Advance your career at samtech.edu.